Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to change your credit card PIN on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse over Pay. Under the Card section, click on Credit Cards from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Your Credit Cards page, where all the credit cards linked to your account are displayed. Click the arrow button next to your preferred credit card. You will be taken to Credit Card Summary page. On this page, find and click the Change PIN link. A window will pop up on your screen. Ensure that your registered mobile number is correct. Enter your desired new PIN. Re-enter the new PIN to confirm. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Continue. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter it here. Click Continue. That's it. Your new credit card PIN has been successfully set. This is how you can change your credit card PIN on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Thank you for watching.